delicious Uyghur sweet dessert, قېيىقچا. If you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you are already Dolan chick friend, welcome back. And today we are going to make flour قېيىقچا. قېيىقچا is a fried sweet dessert. We make قېيىقچا for weddings, holidays, and for celebrations and for eat. It's one of my favorite desserts as well. It has beautiful thin layers. That's why it's so crunchy. Whenever my mom made قېيىقچا for us, it brings party to the table. I was so happy. That's why I want to share this recipe with you. It's actually quite easy to make recipe. Let's get started. First of all, let's make dough. For the dough, we will need eggs. Before you add the egg, check the egg, especially next to the egg yolk. If you see this kind of weird white pieces, you need to remove this. Soda and sugar. We need to knead the dough thoroughly. Try to combine all dry flour. If the eggs are too small, you may have lots of dry flour left in your mixing bowl. Then you need to add 1 to 3 tablespoons water to the dough. When the dough is smooth from inside out, you are done. And we are going to let it rest for about half hour. Don't forget to cover it with damp towel. When the dough is rested, we are going to roll it out. We need rolling pin. Sprinkle some flour on the table and also on the dough. Carefully roll it out. We are going to make beautiful, big and thin layer of dough. In the meanwhile, heating up the oil, we need to heat up the oil thoroughly. When the oil is hot enough, you will see some light smoke. Then turn the fire down a little bit. As you can see, I already rolled out the dough. It's in a rectangle form, quite thin and big. Now we are going to use pastry cutter and cut the dough into smaller strips, and each piece is about 2 fingers width. Pick one section, put it on your palm, very lightly press it with your thumb and bounce it at the table. In this way it will become longer and thinner. We are going to roll it on our index. You should keep distance between each layer. So when you are frying them, it will become bigger and it will get more crunchy bubbles between these layers. And at the end, you need to use a tiny bit water on the dough so it sticks to the dough itself. For frying the قېيىقچا, you will need like this very long chopsticks. You can bind 2 chopsticks together, make it longer. For checking the right temperature of the oil, put in small pieces of the قېيىقچا. If you see like this crunchy bubbles, it means the oil has right temperature. Then you can begin with the frying. Use the top of the chopsticks and very gently, vertically put it in the oil so it stays on the surface of the oil. As finishing touches, sprinkle some sugar powder and rose pebbles. Gül qېيىقچا is ready. Gül means flower. Qېيىqچا is this delicious, crunchy, sweet dessert. I hope you like this recipe. If you like it, don't forget to like it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the Dolan channel and see you next week. Bye!